I never asked you. After you have tested so many cars, can you tell me what makes the difference for you?
I'll tell you, but you have to keep it a secret. One of the things I appreciate the most is when a car has my back. I want to feel safe when I'm driving.
That's kind of unexpected coming from you. I thought you would choose adventure over safety.
I think I can enjoy the adventure more when I know I'm safe. I must admit, us people can have the tendency to underestimate really important details, especially if they are small.
Like me, right?
You're anything but small, eh? Remember, your last updates cost me 2 terabytes.
Then what are you talking about?
I'm talking about the seatbelt. It was invented in the middle of the 19th century for an aircraft. But for cars, it remained optional until the 80s. Can you even believe that, eh?
I wonder why. It is so easy to use and such a lifesaver.
And now it's backed by the airbag system, like you noticed inside the new Toyota Yaris.
Yes, it is impressive how such a small car can offer so much protection. The center airbag can be a vital safety equipment.
This is why it got the high score in the latest NCAP test.
I already like this car.
Me too.
Then why did you hit the brakes?
Because I like to think about my traffic partner's safety also, even when they are green and have only a shell as safety measure.
Now this is for sure a sign of human evolution.